If you're trying to create a YouTube channel but don't have a Google account yet, or you want to start a YouTube channel but don't have a Gmail account yet, you'll need to make one first since YouTube is owned by Google. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you create your Google account for your YouTube channel. So let's see how you can create your Google or Gmail account for YouTube so you can start your YouTube journey today. First, go to google.com and click Sign In on the top right. Then click Create Account and choose for my personal use or for work or my business. Click Get a Gmail address. Alternatively, you can go to youtube.com and click Sign In the top right corner. On the Sign In page, click Create Account and select For Work or My Business. This option creates a brand account, which is the best choice for YouTube channels because it lets you use a custom name and allows multiple people to manage the channel later if needed. Now fill in your first and last name, then click Next. Enter your birth date, month, day, and year. Select your gender and click Next.
Click Get a Gmail address instead. You can either use an existing email or create a new Gmail address. It's completely up to you. Or you can choose one of the pre-made Gmail addresses offered by Google, as you see here. Or choose to create your own Gmail address for a custom one. Now create your desired Gmail address. If your preferred one is taken, try adding numbers or dots. Click Next. Then type a strong password. Use a mix of capital and small letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click Next. Sometimes Google will ask for device or phone number verification, as you can see on the screen. All you have to do is scan this QR code on your phone and tap the link. Then tap Verify. Wait for the verification process to complete. Now you can go back to your computer screen. Once verification is complete, Google will ask you to add a recovery email. This helps you recover your account later if you forget your password. If you don't have an email, click Skip. Or if you have an email address, enter it here and click Next. Now Google will ask for your phone number for recovery. If you don't want to enter your phone number, you can skip it, but I recommend adding it because it will help you in the future if something happens, like forgetting your password or your account getting hacked. So enter your number and click Next. Click Send to get the code via SMS. Next, enter your code here and click Verify. Select Yes, I'm in. Now review your account info like your new Google account and recovery phone number. Then click Next. Scroll down, review Google's privacy and terms, and click I agree. That's it. Your Gmail or Google account is ready. Click Continue to create your YouTube channel. Click Not Now. You'll now be redirected to youtube.com and signed in automatically. If you click on your profile, you'll see that you're logged in with your new Google or Gmail account, ready to start creating your YouTube channel.
Now that you've created your Google account, let's set up your YouTube channel in just a few quick steps. If you don't see this channel creation page automatically, click the profile icon and select Create a Channel. A setup box will appear. Here, you can upload a profile picture or channel icon. Just click Edit Picture. Click From Computer and select your picture. Now, drag the image to fit it in the circle and click Done. Here, you can use your real name or a brand name like Mr. Beast. Type your channel name. Here, choose your channel handle or username. If your preferred one is taken or unavailable, try adding numbers or dots. Then click Create. That's it. Your YouTube channel is live. Next, let's make it look professional. Click your profile picture and select View Your Channel. Click Customize Channel. It will take you to YouTube Studio. Click Continue. Go to the Customization tab. Here, you can add a channel banner, channel description, and your social media links. After customizing, click Publish in the top right corner to save everything. Now, your YouTube channel is ready. You can start uploading videos, creating playlists, and building your audience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.